addressing Jesus, Allah Almighty will say, it is mentioned in Muslim Sharif that Harriz ibadi ila Toor. So he requests Huzur to elaborate on this.
Toor is a symbol of Allah's protection. And Hazrat Musa alayhi salatu wasalam, wahi was given, bestowed upon him, upon Toor. So Toor ever since has become a symbol of protection. That is why this hadith means that when Jesus was told that if you want safety, if the people are against you, go to Toor. The Jews were against him, and Toor was Moses' teachings. So the hadith indicates that tell them the Moses' teachings, and in that your safety is guaranteed.